Okay, here's a pullback in Trimble. This is a 5-minute chart. You can see we reached a high here at 51.50 and we've had a pullback right to the volume weighted average price, which also coincides with this breakout of there. So what we're going to do is go down to a 1-minute chart and see if we find out anything else that's interesting, which we will. Here we are looking for symmetry in that move and that move. So we came down to symmetry right to a Lynn Bogut area, which was there. So we're going to watch and see if we can get a little breakout here. Normally like to wait for a 5-minute chart. This one looks like it's going to pop now, so let's go ahead and get an entry. Bye. Okay, here you see we had that high at 51.13. Just place a buy stop order in at 5.14 or 51.14. Actually got filled at 51.16, and we'll put our stop loss right here at the 51.07 level. So we're risking, about 10 cents a share. Just got 200 shares, and what we'll look for on targets is back up at the high, right in this area. We should take some off there. Of course, we'll monitor it and see this is just a one-time deal or it's going to keep us in the trade for a while. Okay, this is the 5-minute chart of Trimble. You can see, and we did get in a little bit here on that 51.13 area. We're seeing a pullback. It's still holding the VWAP. We're still good on our trade with our stop just below 51.08. If we do get stopped out, we'll revisit. If we don't get stopped out, there's a real good chance we can add to this position on a break of 51.17. That will reinforce that this is a low, and we'll begin a pattern of lower lows and hopefully higher highs. Okay, we had the breakout above 51.17, so we added some more shares at 51.18. We still have our stop at 51.07, so we'll see if we can get a run up here. What we'll do is, since we have a double position, is take some profits at that 51.33 area, probably again at 51.46, and then the remainder we'll look for a possible breakout. And best targets on a breakout, if we start making new highs, will be 51.60 and 51.74. So basically I'm going to leave for a while. I've got all those orders entered. They were staged in the trade station, and I'll just click on enter and be done. So see everybody later. Okay, here you can see actually I put 100 shares just a penny below what my stop is, just in case I get taken out for one of them. But the sells are placed at 51.30, 51.42, 51.58, 51.73. So with about $42 worth of risk and an average price of somewhere in the 51.17 area, we're looking at making 16.45. Another 40 would be 85, and another 50, yeah, close to $140 on this trade if we reach all our targets. So again, I have to leave, so I'll check back in a little while. Okay, we popped back in. We actually got stopped out of the 51.30 and the 51.46, I guess. Starting to see a little pullback here. What we'd like to do is check and see if this correction follows any kind of symmetry, where it would end up. It's going to end up there with Fibonacci retracements there. What we're going to do, since we do again have to leave here, we're going to rocket up a stop just under this level here, which is the I guess 21.26. Pardon me. It's over here now, so 21.20. We'll go 21 or 51.24, and then we'll put a stop below the VWAP here at 51.16. So basically we'll get stopped out at a little better than break even, cover some commission cost, and have the profits from the first 200 shares of stock that we sold. Okay, just got back. Our target here at 51.58 filled, came up just a little shy of 51.73, which we were looking for, and we had this big pullback here, so we'll just keep our stop at 51.24. I may trail it up using these lows if we get a new high, just to try and lock in a little more profit. Probably wouldn't have taken this big a drop if I was here to watch the trade, but got to do what you got to do. So we'll see how the trade ends up. I may or may not be back, but this trade worked out all right.